Hello you all, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log in Comcast email. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply start our video. For the matter, what you would do is simply gonna go ahead first, access your Chrome on your mobile phone or any browser that you prefer. Once you have done so, in the search option you're gonna go ahead and type in xfinity.com or sign in to Xfinity or your Comcast. Once you have done so, tap on this first search option. It will officially lead you the homepage of Xfinity, aka the Comcast email section, where you can log in or create yourself a new account. So afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, swipe down, tap on this create a new Xfinity ID. You're gonna go tap on this box and enter your email that you remember, or either the mobile or the username that is connected with your account itself. Once you have entered that, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this let's go option that is given in the below blue box right over there, and that way you will be able to get logged into your Comcast email on your phone like that. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.